In the previous chapters, we were acquainted with the most important basics for using Allplan. Now we will edit the existing ground floor plan in an easy way. For this, I will first open the building structure and open the structural level 4. We switch to Detached House and activate the node Ground Floor and make drawing file 451 active. That's all the preparation work I need. Let's have a look to see which data is now active in the animation window. In order to see the floor plan at the same time, I go to the Window menu and choose Tile Vertically. By pressing F5, the contents are adjusted to the new window size. Let's begin with the furniture for the ground floor plan. I open Get from Library and choose the symbol catalog and the path project. Here we select File Quick Start Furniture and activate Entry 1 Couch Group. I place the couch arrangement here in the living room and next the seating arrangement with a table here in the dining room. Let's take a closer look at what we have done. As soon as I am in the vicinity of the center of the wall, a second symbol appears at the cursor. Allplan automatically recognizes the midpoint of the wall and shows a temporary reference point. Now I pull the symbol along the right along a track line until I've reached the desired distance from the wall. Let's add a locker. This symbol is Snoop enabled. This means that when placing the symbol, wall and other components are automatically recognized and the symbol is automatically aligned to these. So we'll place the locker here. Next, we will draw our attention to the kitchen furniture and select symbol 5. Let's go here on the symbol and go to the drop-in point. This dialog allows me to set the drop-in point of the symbol. In our case, I want it to be at the top left and will then place the kitchen furniture here. I will now conclude the placing of symbols. If you want, you can add the remaining symbols as an exercise. The floor plan should then look approximately like this. Next, we will make a few additions to the ground floor plan. First, I would like to add an opening down here. The easiest way to do this is to take over the properties of an existing opening and then to place a new opening. I would like to take over all the properties of this French door opening here. Click on it once using the right mouse button and then choose Match from the shortcut menu. The dialog box for the door is automatically opened. The transport point will be set to the bottom left. I will also make sure that the direct offset entry is deactivated. I can easily do this down here. Now I will click down here at the bottom left of the exterior wall, and Allplan asks me to enter the exact distance from the outer edge of the wall. I enter a distance of 0.425 meters. The distance from the corner point, width of the door, will be 6.01 meters, and I confirm this by pressing Return. Next, I confirm the settings with the right mouse button and place the door swing here. And that's all. Thanks to the automatic dimension lines, a new window has already been dimensioned. As a small exercise, you can now place the door for the garage. As a starting symbol, we can use the door of the wardrobe. After matching the door, I can place it here in the garage wall. The distance should be 20 centimeters from the wall of the storage room. And last but not least, I would like to divide the garage and add a wall in the lower part of the garage. For this, I will take over the properties of this wall by double-clicking using the right mouse button and click on the garage wall. The distance to the new door will be 1 meter, and I can now pull the wall along this track line. In order to define the length of the wall, I drag the cursor over the corner of the door and then pull a track line towards the top. At the intersection point of these two track lines, I will place the endpoint of the wall. By pressing Escape twice, I complete the wall and exit the Wall tool. As you can see, Allplan has automatically adjusted the area and the new wall has been taken into account in the dimension line. If you feel like it, check whether the boxer convertible from the symbol catalog still fits into the garage, or take a small break and enjoy an espresso from the virtual espresso machine.